Whether you're a professional locksmith, auto technician, or a serious DIYer, having a reliable car key programmer can save time, money, and frustration. In this countdown, we're breaking down the top 5 best car key programmers you can buy based on features, performance, and value. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in together and find the perfect one. Item number 5. The Autel MaxiIM KM100X is a powerful auto key programmer with a 5.5-inch 1280 by 720 Android touchscreen. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, USB-C, and features an 8-megapixel camera. With 2GB RAM and 64GB storage, it offers smart key creation and immobilizer programming for over 700 vehicles, including BMW, Toyota, and GM. Its 499 50mAh battery ensures portability, while free updates keep it current. This tool supports key learning, chip cloning, and key renewal, making it essential for automotive locksmiths and technicians worldwide. Item number 4. The Xhorse VVDI Key Tool Max Pro is an advanced all-in-one smart device designed for automotive locksmiths. It features a built-in OBD module, CANFD support for GM vehicles, and functions like IMMO programming, service reset, remote generation, and transponder cloning. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an upgraded battery test module, it offers reliable on-the-go diagnostics. It directly powers through OBD, eliminating the need for a separate tool. Supporting over 20 languages, it's ideal for global use and ready for future BMW and Toyota key programming updates. Item number 3. The Otofix IM1 is a professional key programming and diagnostic tool powered by Android 9.0, featuring a 7-inch 1280 by 800 LCD, 2GB RAM, 64GB storage, and a 5800 mAh battery. It offers advanced IMMO services, key chip programming, and full system diagnostics for over 10,000 vehicles. With built-in support for DOAP, CANFD, and bi-directional control, it includes 40+ special functions like ABS, EPB, TPMS, and more. 2 years of free updates, multilingual support, and expert tech assistance make it the ideal tool for locksmiths and auto technicians. Item number 2. Introducing the Launch X431 Pro TT, a powerful 8-inch Android 10.0 diagnostic tablet with a 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage. It features ECU coding, bi-directional control, auto VIN 38 reset functions, and supports over 10,000 vehicle models. With built-in Bluetooth, dual-band Wi-Fi, and 6300 mAh battery, it delivers stable performance. It also supports CANFD, DOIP, and optional modules like BST360 and Xprog 3. 2 years of free updates and a 5-year warranty make it a top-tier tool for professionals. Item number 1. The Mukar V06 is a compact advanced car diagnostic tool supporting OE-level full system scans, ECU coding, auto VIN, and bi-directional tests. Powered by Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it features 28+ reset functions including oil, EPB, TPMS, injector coding, IMMO key programming, and more. It offers intelligent diagnostics, live data, DTC lookup, and diagnosis report sharing. Lightweight yet powerful, it supports lifetime free updates and works with most vehicle models. Perfect for DIYers and professionals seeking performance, precision, and portability in one handheld device. Which of these car key programmers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.